Welcome to Doane University's Self-Service. This is a quick overview of how to navigate financial aid self-service. You can access financial aid via WebAdvisor by clicking on the Students tab and then clicking Financial Aid Self-Service. In the new tab, you will be able to view important information about your financial aid. For each specific award year, you can view your satisfactory academic progress, confirm whether all financial aid documents have been submitted, and review your account summary. Initially, please notice the interactive checklist, which contains a list of items that have been completed, those that still require action from you, and items that are not yet available. You will receive a status indicator of complete as you submit each required document. Items that require further action by you will be assigned the Action Needed indicator. Note that certain action items may link to a more detailed breakdown of the incomplete and completed documents. If you do have any missing documents, please complete and submit those documents to the Financial Aid Office as soon as possible to avoid any delays in the awarding and disbursement of your financial aid. Navigate back to the Financial Aid homepage by clicking on the breadcrumb link near the top of the page. Once you have submitted the required documents, your checklist status will be moved to complete while your application is being reviewed by the Financial Aid Office. You will be notified if any additional information is needed to process your financial aid award, so please refer back to the checklist often to view the status of your application. Once the Financial Aid Office has reviewed your application and the required documents, you will receive notification that you have been awarded a financial aid package. At that time, you will be able to click on the Review and Accept Your Financial Aid Award Package. You will be able to review each component of your financial aid award package and have the opportunity to accept or reject each component of the entire academic year. Under each individual award, you can view it in detail by clicking on the View Loan, and it will open up and display the term or semester. Please note that under each award type, it will reflect the total award amount, and then that total amount is allocated into the specific semesters or terms. Keep in mind that when you are accepting or rejecting each award, you are doing so for the full academic year and not a specific semester or term. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you also see the option to accept all or decline all awards. Once you have accepted or declined your financial aid awards, the next step is to review and sign your financial aid award letter. Other features of this page include loan history and Pell Lifetime eligibility used. The loan history section displays your total federal loan indebtedness from Doane and all prior institutions. A student should use this tool to monitor their loan indebtedness and utilize the NSLDS link conveniently located next to this section for additional information. This site has detailed information about your loans, including but not limited to information about paying off your loans, when you have to start paying back your loans, and which loan servicer your payments are sent to. There are additional helpful links under Resources. These links will direct you to each of the applications and requirements needed for federal financial aid. If you have any additional questions, please use the contact information for the Financial Aid Office located at the bottom of most financial aid site pages. One final feature of this page is the Satisfactory Academic Progress, SAP status. All students receiving financial aid are required to meet SAP standards. Click on the message to view detailed information regarding the evaluation period, your program, and your current status. If your status is green, then you are meeting all of Doane University's academic progress requirements. If your status is red, please contact the Financial Aid Office for further assistance. You can also view your completion rate and cumulative grade point average as it relates to your satisfactory academic progress. You can also view your student account summary by clicking on the link, which will show you your current balance and pending financial aid for each term. We are so excited to share this new and exciting resource and look forward to having you use these resources as you go through the financial aid process. Go Tigers!